Now, the 5 innovation grant recipients and their respective projects. Making a difference and changing lives in different communities of Lusaka City. Water and Sanitation Association of Zambia, WASAZA. Proper sanitation remains a challenge for many communities in Lusaka City. In Chazanga compound, 2 schools, namely David Livingstone Community School and Chazanga Reach Out Community School, are in dire need of proper sanitation and hygiene. Pupils are eager to learn, but the state of the school's toilets worries them.
When Lusaka became the capital city of Zambia? No. 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 No.
At David Livingstone, the toilets available are not enough to cater for the more than 800 pupils, and they are in a bad state.
Toilets are very bad because tikangena isebenango bakazi ngatili kumwezi sitingakwanise kusamba mu toilet muri madozi yali open and yabakazi palbedo pachabechi grudo so ngatingena bantu bamatapa amanzi paboho bamationa basitokamba kuti uyu muntu veangenera awe
kamba pankanya matoilet kozi yali bwino madozi kumabwa abantu bambiri amabota pamanzi olamatishaza wapunzisa madozi yali bwino siyamakomeka futi yali na space mumbali mucha so bambiri bantu mationa
matoilet yali enough for us munga bantu peza ma baby class bane pan sometimes kachedo matipengisa munga ife sometimes tima duara.
At Chazanga Reach Out Community School, the situation is the same.
Toilet na problem akono tunda na kunyera ni ache pale pons ni kama kunje mbele sasa kuno ni event ya kumboka hapo na window but zinapeza mshombo wako banya wasitua zibana parasi matisha kwa mwandivi so hapa tengero kama pesa kama sopo tunakona pombe hapo aja evaliwa na matoilet zitaova nunca olotitingena chapado pese pale matuvi stizwana mtundu ungena pado icha kuona mmoja ona mmoja pecheka sevenga kama.
However, help is on the way through the Water and Sanitation Association of Zambia, WASAZA, who have won a $66,899 grant from the Millennium Challenge Account Zambia's Innovation Grant Program. The goal of the grant project is to improve sanitation and hygiene at the 2 schools.
We propose to improve the sanitation conditions of the Livingstone Community School through the construction of biolatrines. And biolatrines are basically facilities that will be used as toilets and also as a treatment facility for the waste that is generated. I mean fecal waste as well as the organic waste that is generated within the school. And so the concept was to have these biolatrines which will save the primary purpose of sanitation and also the secondary purpose of the gas which is utilized as end product, and also the sludge which comes out as the end product of the digestion process that happens underneath the digester. We also intend to put up toilet facilities which will be encompassing health and hygiene. There's also a nearby school which is called Reach Out Community School. So the whole project is to look at these two schools and do biolatrines at these two schools and improve the sanitation facilities at these schools.
In addition to the biolatrines, health and hygiene training will be conducted at both schools. MECB Consulting Limited. Water is life. However, in Jack Compound, the communal water dispensers managed by Lusaka Water and Sewerage Company have no water for most part of the day. This dry spell is as a result of various challenges.
Some people don't pay for water, as I've said here. A certain person came and say, Manzi, Niamuru, Nuva Boma. Yeah. Secondly, the charges are too low, 20 liters. We give our clients 5 ingwe, capacity coin catch, 5 ingwe only 20 liters. Drum, 1 quart. That tank gets empty after 1 hour, 20 minutes, or just 1 hour. We go and close. I'll show you there's a valve there. We close, meaning we start filling up the tank. Yeah. So that tank gets full after 3 hours, 30 minutes. We go and supply. That is from 06 to 7:30 or 7 hours, we give water to the community. 8, 9, 10, 11 or 11:30. We supply water again. 12 hours or 12:30, we close the valve. We start filling up the tank. After 3 hours, 30 minutes, we supply. So it's a routine, 3 times in a day. Now that you have a problem of power, as you know, if there is no power, those pumps cannot work, cannot function. We just have to wait, not until power comes.
Ero ngatienda kumafotia ambao kuma 22. Ma 22 shungutapa mali kuma 04. Tima nditapa kuja ukuyeka bochoka. Ero manje kuno ngatimalaiti aliko. Sense tima tapa 14 ngatimalaiti yani manda kuma 14 hours. But aliko sense tima tapa huku. Ero manje kuma 8 yaenda. Futi kuma 12 zatapa. Ero manje kuma 13 yakaenda. Ushifuti zame exact 16 hours ya bwele. Ero manje 14 zopeza malaiti yaenda. Yaza choka huku. Kumba kuja malaiti yaenda yazachoka but yakasira shasiyochoka kuja. Kwa miaka za 22 hours zikakwana sometimes. Olo yaenda olo kuma 8 so yakaenda kubwela pala ngaba kuma 18 or kuma 20 so pala ngo kuma 20 hours zando tapa kuja kuchoka kwa kuma 22 but ukusema machoka be kuja. Mangala lai olo yaenda kuseni songa tia yena kufutiwa zikabwera uzapeza line yambe papea pamene mbeta pamanzi kufika na kuja ku gate sometimes pena ngopa pa ka game paja ndipo ya mafika line kuma nkala bana sometimes ungavo yambana woshotana kupita mtape manzi ndio kuma ngachera yeni kuluma lingi.
The lack of constant, reliable water supply has adversely affected the community in Jack compound. Residents have learned to treasure the little water that they have. MECB Consulting Limited, with a grant from the Millennium Challenge Account Zambia's Innovation Grant Program to the tune of $82,617, will implement a project in Jack compound aimed at addressing the water supply challenges. This will be done specifically by drilling and constructing a commercial borehole and equipping it with a solar pump, building an elevated 45,000-litre tank for water storage, and ensuring the distribution of water through the existing network to 3 communal prepaid dispensers. Solid technology systems. The disposal of plastic solid waste remains a big challenge in Lusaka. Many residents have opted to dumping waste in the drains. This in turn has led to blockage of the drainage, and when it rains, stormwater is unable to flow freely, resulting in floods. Kawe-based company Solid Technology System has been awarded a grant of $361,274 by the Millennium Challenge Account Zambia's Innovation Grant Program. The goal of the grant project is for the purpose of improving plastic waste removal and recycling services in peri-urban Lusaka.
We believe that if we can be able to improve the lives of people in Zambia, in the compounds, by trying to buy the waste. Because as you are aware, in Zambia at the moment, there is a very big problem concerning plastic waste.
Presently, the company uses innovative but crude methods of recycling.
These machines were made by ourselves at Solid Tech Systems in order to recycle this plastic waste.
The grant will fund the procurement of plastic solid waste recycling and processing equipment and plant to improve the production, quality, and sales of recycled plastic products. In addition, the grant funds will be used to increase production of semi-processed raw plastic pellets for sale using plastic crushers to be installed at selected points in the city of Lusaka. Better Now Financing Company. Some peri-urban areas in Lusaka, such as Kalingalinga compound, have both water and sewer networks. However, many households are still not connected to the networks. This poses a serious hygiene and sanitation challenge because many residents use makeshift bathrooms and pit latrines. Some of the residents talked to shared the reasons why they are not connected to the systems.
Okay, so for Kalingalinga, uno problem enti nayo ni yakuti matoleti yo flashing yativuta mo mangira otinamba odala mkama meeting tingo kama meeting but akamba tati pasaloni manjeroni tunaona ndama inakwela mpendo so tunaona tustinga kwanise so manje tamvera bwina papanela bwela better now kuti bati tandizileko so tina ma tenant wali for turums wali pia ma 700 per month so tipempa titandizileko singakangiwe kubweza ti ndakwaniriza.
When I thought that if somebody can help me, I get a calon, can put in a zipper, banana, pressing to it. That can be better for me. So that's what the measures hygiene is sanitation. Sanitary, you got to remember your flash. It means when the first be end up you are preventing yourself from cholera.
With a grant of $530,000 from the Millennium Challenge Account Zambia's Innovation Grant Program, Better Now Financing Company is set to implement a project which aims at supporting the establishment of a microcredit revolving loan fund for water supply and sanitation.
And one of the things that we have established, according to our survey, is that around this time of the year, when it's a rainy season, these areas are prone to waterborne diseases. We are talking about dysentery, we are talking about diarrhea, we are talking about cholera. And I think this project is intended to be able to mitigate some of those by being able to construct and commission waterborne flushable toilets. And most importantly also, as you can see, right there where we are, there is already a water connection point. But the only problem is that the communities do not have that lump sum amount to be able to improve or to tap into this infrastructure. So what we are doing is to empower them by way of affordable short to medium term loans to be able to facilitate that process.
The funds will be available for individual household water supply and sewerage connections, individual household improvement of sanitary facilities, construction of modern toilets and shower, and eventually for water supply and sanitation related small and medium enterprises. Zambian Breweries PLC. Post-consumer packaging waste is a major challenge in Lusaka City. This waste is disposed of in various ways. Mainly, it finds its way in the drains or littered all over the city. Zambian Breweries PLC is currently supporting the Manja Pamozi recycling project.
The Manja Pamozi project encourages individuals to take responsibility for their environment while creating income and self-worth.
What we're doing is incentivizing the people at a community level to clean up all of this packaging that's lying out there in the streets. For people who collect over a certain volume, once they show that they're really performing well, they're provided with a bicycle and a trailer, which enables them to carry these cartons over a longer distance and a lot quicker.
With a grant award of $842,126 from Millennium Challenge Account Zambia's Innovation Grant Program, Zambian breweries will contribute to the Manja Pamozi recycling project to create a sustainable collection and recycling value chain.